Leading Case 41 Common Cause v. Union of India and Ours, 2017-13. SCR 361, 2017. 9 SCC 499. Did you know that the Common Cause v. Union of India case was a landmark judgment that recognized the right to die with dignity as a fundamental right under the Indian Constitution? In this video, we'll be analyzing the landmark judgment of Common Cause v. Union of India and Ours, also known as Leading Case 41. This significant case had a profound impact on the Indian polity and highlights the importance of public interest litigation in ensuring the rights and responsibilities of citizens are upheld. The Supreme Court of India's decision in this case is a testament to the judiciary's role in shaping the society and law in India. We'll delve into the legal analysis of the case, exploring how it has contributed to the development of legal insights and stare decisis in the Indian judicial system. This video is essential for legal studies, law and justice enthusiasts, and anyone interested in understanding the intricacies of the Indian Constitution and court decisions. Hi, I am Advocate Dr. Saurabh Kapoor, bringing you a video on this fascinating topic like this. But before you start watching this video, I request you to kindly like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to my YouTube channel to view videos like this more. Please leave a comment below, telling your thought and idea about this video and future videos. You want introduction. Common Cause v. Union of India and Ours, 2017-13, SCR 361, 2017. 9 SCC 499 is a significant case in the context of transparency and accountability in governmental appointments. The case addressed the non-appointment of the Lokpal, an anti-corruption ombudsman, despite the enactment of the Lokpal and Lokayuktas Act 2013. Facts. The petition was filed by Common Cause, an NGO which challenged the inaction of the Government of India in failing to appoint a Lokpal. The organization argued that the absence of the appointment was against the spirit of the Lokpal and Lokayuktas Act 2013, designed to combat corruption at high levels within the government. Issues raised: 1. The legal requisites for the appointment of the Lokpal. 2. The impact of not having a leader of opposition (LOP) on the selection committee for the appointment of the Lokpal. Contention of the parties. Petitioner, Common Cause, argued that the government's failure to appoint the Lokpal, due to the technicality of not having a recognized leader of opposition, was a dereliction of its duty and undermined the law. Respondents, Union of India and others, contended that the appointment process was complex and required adjustments in the law, especially regarding the composition of the selection committee in the absence of a recognized leader of opposition. Critical analysis of the case. The case revolved around interpreting statutory provisions in light of practical realities, such as the absence of a recognized leader of opposition in the parliament. It highlighted the challenges in implementing anti-corruption legislation and balancing legislative intent with practical governance issues. Other judgments discussed in the case and their ratio with citation: Union of India versus Association for Democratic Reforms, 2002, SCC 294, discussed the necessity for transparency in the functioning of democracy and the role of statutory organizations in ensuring accountability. Opinion of judges. The judges opined that the legislative intent was clear in the establishment of the Lokpal to combat corruption, and the absence of a leader of opposition should not impede the functioning of key provisions of the Act. They emphasized the need for the government to implement the law as intended by the legislature. Direction. The Supreme Court directed the government to proceed with the opposition, suggesting that the leader of the largest opposition party in the Lok Sabha should be part of the selection committee as an alternative. Finding of the court. The court found that the lack of a leader of opposition due to the specific circumstances of an election outcome does not negate the requirement to appoint a Lokpal, and that the government must find a way to fulfill the mandate of the law. Final judgment. The judgment mandated that the appointment process of the Lokpal should proceed promptly, utilizing the leader of the largest party in the opposition in the Lok Sabha in lieu of a recognized leader of opposition. Conclusion. Common Cause v. Union of India reinforced the principle that technicalities should not impede the implementation of laws intended to serve significant public interests such as combating corruption. The Case underscored the judiciary's role in ensuring that the executive complies with the laws and fulfills its duties, promoting transparency and accountability in governance. The landmark case of Common Cause v. Union of India